Gustavo Ribeiro is founder of the Brazilian Report, an online news magazine. He joins us on Skype from Sao Paulo. So is it just a case that President Bolsonaro wants somebody simply in the job who agrees with him?
Exactly, because the reasons why Nelson Teich resigned, was pushed out of the cabinet, are the same reasons that his predecessor was pushed out of the cabinet, because he didn't agree with Bolsonaro in two major things: the need for social isolation, which Bolsonaro is adamantly against, and the use of hydroxychloroquine, an anti-malarial drug with no proof that it is effective against COVID-19 to coronavirus patients, which the president defends. And Minister Teich has said in the past that social isolation is the only medicine we know so far against the COVID-19 pandemic, and that people should be careful when talking about or especially using hydroxychloroquine. What
about the incoming replacement? What do we know about him?
Well, it has not been confirmed yet, but according to our sources, the deputy health minister, which is an army general, is the front runner for the job. He has reportedly accepted Mr. Bolsonaro's guidelines, Mr. Bolsonaro's stance on social isolation and chloroquine, and he's a logistics expert working for the army. He's not a health expert. That has been met with severe criticism by members of the scientific community, by members of the political establishment in Brazil. But so far, people are waiting to see the ink dry, because this administration has been known for leaking information and then backpedaling before things are confirmed.
We've seen the coronavirus ravage economies around the world, people who are on the breadline now unable to eat. How is Brazil doing?
Well, it has been devastating for Brazil because we have a very informal economy. A lot of people depend on making ends meet by going day to day and earning their revenue, and a lot of them are just simply not possible. It's not possible for them to do that right now because almost every single state is under some sort of quarantine. And the more we see, the more we realize that it's going to ravage the Brazilian economy. Some estimates have the number of unemployed people after the pandemic between 20 and 35 million people. The GDP is going to fall by at least 5% this year, according to the economy ministry. So things are looking pretty bleak right now. And the problem is, because the president is so adamantly against social isolation and incites his supporters to break with social isolation rules, we are stuck in the worst of two worlds. Social isolation is not working and people are still spreading the virus, but the economy is not properly functioning as well. So we're losing on both ends.
Thank you for your time, Gustavo Ribeiro, founder of the Brazilian Report.
Thank you.